it's Lynn from Subpar Planning. Why, yes, it is spring, and yes, I am wearing buffalo plaid. I don't care. It's warm flannel because it's cold out still. Welcome to my channel. If you've never watched any of my videos before, this is a channel about planning. If you have and you're back for more, thank you so much for coming back. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and I hope you enjoy this video. Yesterday or the day before, I actually posted a video where I kind of did like a 3-month flip through of my mini happy planner, what was working, what wasn't. I did a quick little plan with me, but one of the things I talked about in that last video was how I really was disappointed with myself because I didn't, oh my God, I haven't really been using my tarot journal, which was inside my mini happy planner. And truth be told, I was really intrigued by the Transformer planner because I kind of liked that idea of like having all these covers, and then it's like all of your sections, like all of your planners are in one, but you just flip the page and you flip the cover and you're on to your next one. And I really liked that. So I kind of did my own version where I just used the pictures from the picture pages that are part of the mini happy planner. And I actually went on Pinterest and found stuff, and I really, really liked that. And that's kind of what I use. But unfortunately, I just wasn't using my tarot journal as much as I'd like to. My whole point was to do a card a day for an entire year. And, you know, I was doing pretty good up through January, and then work started to get really busy, and then I had family visiting, and then all of those other things that happen, which is what happens to everybody. Life starts. And then next thing you know, I just kind of forgot. And so anyways, I was hoping that by making myself a new mini happy planner that's related specifically to tarot, that this would kind of help give me that motivation to just kind of go ahead and go into it. So basically what I did was I have the expander rings on here. They're the gold ones. And what I did was I used a paper pad, which was the dark rainbow paper pad from Craftsmith Co. You can get that at Michael's. And I want to say that I got that paper pad with my Michael's gift card. Unfortunately, I don't really have a lot left on my gift card, and you know, I was hoping to kind of rely on gift cards that I got for Christmas to kind of carry me through the year. Kind of don't see that happening because all this new stuff is coming out. Temptation is really great to buy some stickers and planners, and I'm a little concerned because I don't know if I'm going to be able to stick through with an entire year. I will give myself some credit in that I've made it almost 3 months, which is crazy because I didn't even think I could pull that off. I thought after 3 days I was gonna be like, yeah, I'm done. I can't do this. So I'm happy that I've made it this far. I just don't know if I'm gonna make it all the way. I don't know. And you know what? If it does happen and I end up spending money and I end up buying something, I'm not gonna beat myself up about it because truth be told, I haven't actually bought anything planner related or anything fun like a purse or a bag or shoes or anything. I haven't bought anything for fun since since December 31st. So anyways, that's my end of my rant. So a couple of things. This is the tarot journal that I made. So again, it's just laminated. It's 10 mil Scotch laminating. I haven't put pockets in here because I don't know if I'm going to, but this is white-sided paper. This is the same piece of paper, actually. This is one 12 by 12 sheet. So what I did was I just measured out my pages, and then I just cut, and then I laminated both sides. And then when before I laminated, excuse me, I took some purple stamp pad ink. I think it's the Distressed set from Tim Holtz. And I just sponged it, and then I sprayed it with some water, and then I dried it with my high temp heat gun. And so it kind of gave me a little bit of an effect like that. It would have been fun to get a little more experimental, but I just really needed to get this done because it was just one of those things like, I'm not really going to start pulling cards until I get my act together. So that's the front and the back. And then this is the tarot pocket with the little cat hair in there. This is the tarot pocket that I made in this scrap paper. This paper I want to say was, I think, a Cosmic Stargazer paper pad from AC Moore, but I just loved it because it's got all these little like glittery, here so you can see it, these like glittery stars, which are super pretty. So that's what I was going to put my tarot card for every day in, just to kind of protect it. And then this is the pocket page that I made with the same paper pad for my tarot journal. So, and then I kind of did a couple of sprocket printouts of like some stuff that I found on Etsy, like, because I'm a Cancer, so. And then this is the actual planner. Interestingly enough, you'll see that the first couple of months are cut, the tabs are cut, and then you have the rest of it. The reason I cut the tabs was because I had these in my regular planner, and I didn't really want to have multiple tabs because it just kind of would have thrown me off. And here comes my cat. Hi, buddy. Yeah, okay. So that's basically where it's at. The other thing that I did was I also made this bookmark, and that way I can put it in for every month. All I did was I took a piece of paper, measured it out. I have the tab punch from We Are Memory Keepers, and all I did was punch the tab, and then I cut it down to fit. I used some adhesive double stick tape to kind of hold it down, and then I just laminated it with 3mm. This is a piece of scrap that I had. And as you can see, Munch is pretty much not done. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm not going to fill out any of the month of March. I'm just going to kind of let it ride. I mean, we only have a week left anyways. And I'm going to start in April, which is right here. And if you're wondering, this is part of the squad goals. So basically what I did was I just reused everything that I had. I had some old planner pages for one set that I never used. I had some old planner pages for another set that I didn't use. Basically, I just tried to reuse everything that I had. These are sheets from a Happy Notes notebook that I got at Joann's on clearance a couple months ago. So I got a couple of those. They were like $2. And that is all she wrote. So let me put this back on so you can see what I'm doing. I'm going to use my cat as a little wee desk. A soft, fluffy desk. It keeps moving the camera. Sorry about that. All right. So that's going to be my tarot journal. I really like this kind of image of the moon. It kind of looks like a dream catcher. So I just thought that was really pretty. So the card set that I'm going to be using that I just bought probably back in like August is the Naked Heart Tarot. It's by Jillian C. Wild. It's a beautiful tarot deck. And I really like working with it. It's got really bright, colorful images, and it's just so pretty. Even the cards that might signify lots of changes or disruption are still really pretty. And usually how I do it, everybody does their tarot pulls differently. I use reversed and I used upright. I just mix them all up. And I just kind of think about my intention for the day. What can I learn from today? And that's how I look at it. And I just flip the cards. I shuffle them and flip them. But this is the back imagery. And then these are the fronts. A couple of my favorite ones. Let me see. The Mother of Swords I think is beautiful. Another one of my favorites is the Sun, because I love that scarab on. I love the blue, bright blue, vivid color. The Mother of Cups is another one of my favorites. It's really pretty. The Star is gorgeous. I'm really drawn to blues a lot. So I think that's kind of the reason why I like this one so much. It's because of that blue tonality to it. This is a really pretty one. 10 of Cups. The Three of Pentacles. I love the little ants. The Universe is a really pretty one too. And the Moon I think is quite stunning. A lot of female energy. So that's just really pretty. So yeah, this is a really nice tarot card deck. If this is something that you're interested in and you just want a really beautiful deck to kind of just like work with and like learn about the cards, I kind of like this. I don't necessarily know if this is a beginner card deck. I am by no means a seasoned or really well experienced card reader. I've always been interested in tarot decks ever since I was a kid. And I have a couple sets, but this one, when I first saw it, this one made me want to get back into doing a daily draw. Don't know why. I don't question it. That's just what it is. Made me want to do it. So I'm going to run with it. One last thing I did was I was kind of bored, and I went through some of my craft stuff, and I was kind of looking at like another way to carry some stuff in my mini happy planner if I didn't want to carry my wallet, but I wanted to carry my planner for some reason, like if I had a list to go grocery shopping. And I found this that I got at Michael's a couple of, I want to say like maybe a year ago. And it came in a pack of stuff, if I recall correctly. It was this, and I want to say it came with a ring sticky thing that you put on the back of your phone so you can like hold your phone with the ring through your finger, and like a pocket or something. And it was like on clearance, and I actually almost feel like it was on clearance like back in December of 2017. Like that's how old this is. So anyways, it says all gold everything, and it's just like a little card wallet. Sorry for the reflection. So what I did was I took a piece of my laminate, so you can see it, that I had left over, punched it, and then I took some E6000, put it on here, spread it. I took some clamps and held it down for 24 hours, and so now this is what I've got. So if I wanted to take my tarot journal someplace, and I didn't feel like carrying a bunch of, like a wallet or whatever, this is with 10 mil. There you go. Oh, sorry for the reflection. So this is my kind of a card carrier, and it holds gift cards, credit cards, you know, that kind of thing. And then the cool thing is that it's got pockets, 2 on each side to hold 2 cards, so you can hold 4 cards total. But then it's got this center pocket, so you can actually put cash in here if you really were feeling like crazy. You know, you wanted to do something kind of fun, or, you know, take some chances. So there's that. So voila. Those are some of the things I've been up to this weekend. So yeah, hi buddy. So, I guess that's it. So anyways, I hope everything's going well where you are. I hope everybody's happy and healthy. I hope you're enjoying the weather. It's kind of funny. There's people around me. They're outside grilling, even though it's like 40 degrees out. That's kind of fun. And, yeah, that's about it. I'm going to just a little bit of extra loving right here. Little paunch. So, anyways, remember, as always, you are loved, you are wanted, you, pointing right at you, and you deserve to be here, and don't ever let anyone tell you different, okay? Hope everything's going well where you are. Bye. Deuces.